health,
agriculture,
education,
environment,
social welfare,
community development,
cultural programs,
music.
all active right here.
On Radioactive 90.4 megahertz. Get active!
Hello, this is Pretty. The Pretty Beyond Talk Show is a platform to speak out your mind. I feel every person has something wonderful and unique inside their mind, which may be worth listening, and it may be motivate or inspire others. Pretty's talk is about fitness, inspiration, motivation, sharing knowledge, and celebrating womanhood. Stay tuned, stay connected. This is Pretty with loads of love.
Welcome to the Pretty Beyond Talk Show. I bring people here in front of you who has something beautiful in their mind, in their heart, which may motivate or inspire you, or maybe it's worth listening. I am the host Pretty Beyond, and well, I am inspired and motivated today once again. I have with me a self-confident woman, Sayeda Nusrat, founder of Aryan Institute. She is the President of Private School and Child Welfare Association and State Secretary of Hindustan Scouts and Guides. Welcome to our show.
Myself, Dr. Sayeda Nusrat, Founder Director of Aryan Institute. For 2 decades, we are running this education institute, and especially we are focusing in remote areas and promoting education for the women, empowerment of women. So, in our institute, any woman, there is no age bar. From 18 years to the 16-year women taking admission in our school, and mother and a daughter, and recently 2 daughters along with the mother has joined in our institute, and daughter-in-law and mother-in-law and a co-sister, like a family, all they are coming after discontinue of the education. So this is our motto, to empowerment of women and promote education in the remote area.
So apart from your educational institute,
Yeah.
you have few hobbies. You are a social worker, very active person. Want to know something about yourself?
Yeah, fine. This is actually, my dad was assistant commissioner. So when he was going in the remote areas, I observed with my dad, the labor children are playing in the ground, and the people labor department, all the people are going to high five schools. Then all these children are playing in the mud. One day I asked to my dad, why these children are playing in the ground, and there's all the big buildings, big people, their children are going to school. My dad said, here still that facility is not there in the remote areas. This is the coffee planter children they are not having this much facility to send the children to school. And their coffee planter children, they have the facility for the big schools, and they can take the donation, they can give the money.
So people who can afford the education are going for the institution mainly.
In the schools that time, when in my childhood, when I was going with my daddy to be coffee planters there, the children are playing, labor children are playing. And these coffee planters children are going for the schools. Then why these children are not going for school? My dad said they are no facilities, and they are not having that much financial they can send for the private schools. That time I decided, when I was believe it or not, I was in the 3rd standard or 4th standard child. So everyone, they have the big ambition in their life. What you want to become? I like to become a pilot, I like to become a doctor, I like to become this, that. Then once my coffee planter, he asked me, my daddy, this one friend, beta, what do you like to become? I said, sir, I like to become a teacher. Then they smiled and he patted me. Then I don't know what is different for the pilot high post and this teacher post. That was very, they'll see कि बहुत छोटा सा टीचर का काम तो बहुत छोटे लोग करते हैं, छोटा सा है. Then after that, and this was gone. When I was 18, that my passion came out. तो अंदर से जो जागा मुझसे हुआ है, तो 18 years में मैंने कोर्स किया था टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग. Then I started, from that time I start कि मैं रिमोट एरिया पे अपना स्कूल खोलना है और चलाना है, इन बच्चों को पढ़ाना है. So this came in my mind. I started my service giving the labor children's free educations and the trainings for the teachers, women who drop out after the 18 years in our Indian culture, they do early marriage. After 16-17 डिसकंटिन्यू एजुकेशन हो जाएगा और ससुराल में जाएंगे 2 या 3 साल. देन अभी कोई झगड़ा वगैरह हो जाने के बाद वो लोग अलग से हो जाते हैं कि सोर्स ऑफ इनकम उन्हें नहीं मिलता है. सो दे हैव टू गो कॉल सेंटर या गारमेंट. तो इनमें इतना टैलेंट रहता था कि वो आगे बढ़ के कुछ भी कर सकते थे. तो देन वी स्टार्टेड दिस टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग फॉर देम. सो वी आर ट्रेनिंग फॉर द मोर देन 10,000 टीचर्स वी हैव ट्रेन. So this chain is going on like this. Apart from recently, the last year we had joined in Hindustan HSG, Hindustan Scouts and Guide. As they have selected me as a secretary of Karnataka. And सबसे पहले I like to thanks to my mother. मेरी माँ ने मुझे जब भी हम कुछ करते तो हम पैसे किसी को देते या कुछ तो मेरी माँ कहती है कि इनको ऐसा तोहफा दे दो कि वो इनको ज़िंदगी भर काम आए. कोई ऐसी चीज़ देना जिसे वो ज़िंदगी भर उसको ये कर सके. तो मेरी माँ ने कहा था कि इल्म से बढ़ के कोई नहीं है, नॉलेज से बढ़ के. तो बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ आज मैं मेरी माँ को. आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ मैं मेरी माँ की वजह से यहाँ हूँ. तो जब भी मेरी माँ मुझसे कहती है कि अभी कुछ देना आप चाहते हैं तो ऐसा उन्हें तोहफा दो कि वो ज़िंदगी भर उसे इस्तेमाल कर सके. तो जैसे चाइनीज़ का एक प्रॉवर्ब है, तो डोंट गिव द फिश, हाउ टू कैच द फिश. ऐसी तरह से मेरी माँ ने कहा कि आप एजुकेशन दीजिए तो वो लाइफ लॉन्ग रहेगा. तो इसी वजह से हमने RN एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट खोला. तो हमने अपना एजुकेशन स्प्रेड किया. तो मैंने कहा था कि रिमोट एरियाज़ पे वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के वास्ते. तो ये जो हम चला रहे हैं, एजुकेशन दे रहे हैं बहुत सारे गाँव में, हरियों में, विलेज पे. और दोज ड्रॉप आउट वुमेन है. मदर, शी इज़ a 60-year-old मदर, शी के मदर इन लॉ. एक इंसिडेंस ऐसा ही है जब एक औरत शी हैज़ सेक्रीफाई होल हर लाइफ टू द चिल्ड्रंस, द इन लॉज, एवरीथिंग. आफ्टर द रिटायरमेंट, लाइक जिसकी उसकी उम्र रिटायर्ड होने को आई 60 या 65, देन शी इज़ फीलिंग लोनलीनेस. इतना अकेलापन था कि उसको बहुएं भी आ गए, बच्चों भी आ गए, सब फैमिली पूरा हो गया. तो सभी अपनी अपनी दुनिया में हो गए. तो शी इज़ फुल डिप्रेशन पे गए. शी केम वन डे along with some my friend and she was telling मैम ऐसे हो गया है. तो मैंने पूछा तुमने क्या पढ़ा है? मैम मैं SLC सेकेंड PUC पढ़ के हूँ. तो मैंने कहा क्या मैं ज्वाइन कर सकती हूँ कोर्स? क्यों नहीं, हमारे यहाँ एज इज जस्ट ए नंबर, सो आप कभी भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. सो दैट लेडी आफ्टर द रिटायरमेंट शी स्टार्टेड हर लाइफ बिगनिंग एंड शी केम, शी ज्वाइन हियर ओनली व्हेन आई वाज सिटिंग हियर. शी केम, शी ज्वाइन द कोर्स एंड शी हैड डन टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग, NTT Montessori टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग she has done, and she started her own school. Now per annum, per month she is earning 50,000 and very good established. Now she is very happy. So this she was telling, ma'am, RN Institute has given this a second life for me. So she started again her new life. This RN Institute is doing, helping and promoting education for the tribal children and women. And this is my mother motto. My mother has said this, every child need a teacher. So today what we are doing, we are trying to follow our mother. माँ के कदमों की हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि उन्हीं की तरह चले, लेकिन हम वहाँ तक तो नहीं चल सकते. My mother was very great lady. मुझे बहुत moral support था. आज वो नहीं है तो मैं बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ उन्हें.
She is no more.
She is no more. नहीं है, 2 साल हो गया है.
वो जहाँ भी होगी आपको देख रही होगी और बहुत प्राउड फील कर रही होगी और इतना सारा लोगों को आप हेल्प कर रही हो, मोटिवेट कर रही हो. I think she will be proud of you actually.
Thank you so much. And one more, my brother is there. My brother is backbone of mine. Always he'll support me. Each and every step he'll support me. To say अल्फाज कम मिलते हैं मैं अपने भाई के बारे में बोलूं. He made me tough how to face the problem. Even before, once upon a time, even I was little bit disturbance how to face all this problem being a woman. But once I called midnight, brother, I am full tired. I am not able to face this problem. This is there. So my brother ने मुझे जीना सिखाया. तो अभी इतने इस स्टेज पे उन्होंने लेकर आए कि दूसरों को मुझे सिखाना पड़ता है कि आपको कैसे जीना है, आपको कैसे टफ बनना है, कैसे इस माहौल को आप फेस करना है. So I am very lucky. I have the very good family and they support me a lot, and all they are my friends and they all my what I'll say, it's like my family. They are all HSG, this family. Always in the midnight also we'll call for service. They are ready to 24/7. They are ready to service. This all made me to success. Today I am here because all of सभी की दुआओं से. तो मुश्किल राहों में आसान सफर लगता है, मुश्किल राहों में आसान सफर लगता है, मुझको ये मेरी माँ की दुआओं का असर लगता है.
Oh wow, so nice. And today you have earned one more friend. That's pretty brilliant. Whenever you feel you're alone, you want to talk to somebody, you can call me always, anytime.
Thank you so much.
24/7, 365 days.
Wow.
And whenever I can support you in any way, in my limitation, if I can support you, I'm always ready.
So I am very lucky to have such a like you friend. Definitely.
Wonderful people will get always people around them. I think your friend circle or your institution are lucky to have you in this post actually. It's really wonderful job you are doing to us as a society. It's amazing, I say.
Thank you so much. So one more friend we added in our list.
Yes,
The best friend I can say, good friend.
तो अभी ये जो इंस्टीट्यूशन है आपका, what kind of people can enroll for your institution?
See, there is a no age bar. मैंने कहा कि उम्र की कोई ये नहीं है. No age limit in our institute. After 18 years, after the SSLC, anyone can join in our course. This is a course's duration is a 1 year, and for the teacher, this is a 6-month training course. Those are working as a teacher. And the 6-month very fee structure is a very low fee structure, and in between when they join in our institute they'll get a job, this one opportunity, they'll come for campus selection. So we are tie up with the more than 500 schools in Bangalore, more than and all over Karnataka we have that. So I am a president of private school and children welfare association. So we have the whole India connectivities and which schools are there, where job they need, and so those will join within a 2 month only. They'll get the assistant teacher job. So they get salary from that. They can be give that here for our trainers, our faculty we had to pay. So they can give by installment like 500,000 also they are giving. After getting the job also they'll give that at the salary. So there is no demand for any fees, but minimum government fees we are charging and faculty fees we are charging. So that is like a service we are doing. Totally RN Institute is doing service. And one more thing I like to be share, and we will be Women's Day before COVID we had celebrate Women's Day. And we will recognize the women those have contributed in the society. We like to be highlight them. See, many doctors they came, and lady pilot they came. And in that day, this Purva Karikar people also, the sweeper laborers they came. They are be doing work for. So we highlight for the people, women, and we honor them. We'll call celebrity, and like Rahul Dravid is there, and our Madam Kiran Bedi and Isha Pan, Prakash Raj, and many various they'll come to be just give them, boost them. बहुत अच्छा आप काम कर रहे हैं, उन काम को सराहने के लिए हम लोग ऐसे लोगों से उनको शाबाशी देंगे तो they feel proud as somebody has pat us. तो उनको सिर्फ एक पैट की ज़रूरत होती है. So that will give for them. So ऐसे चलते रहता है कि कैसे औरत को आगे बढ़ाए, वुमेन को कैसे एम्पावरमेंट करे, कैसे वो आगे बढ़ के अपने पैर पे खड़े होके अपनी फैमिली का ख्याल रखें. सो मोस्टली हमारा तो मेन मकसद ये है कि लेबर के बच्चों पे कुछ मेहनत करके उन्हें पढ़ाए और जो वुमेन को अपने पैर पे खड़ के अपनी फैमिली को देखे. कई फैमिली में कोई उनका जैसे कोई लास्ट डे हस्बैंड, कोई लास्ट डे फादर, ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स रहते हैं वुमेन के लिए. तो वो प्रॉब्लम में जब भी एजुकेशन द मोस्ट पावरफुल वेपन टू फेस ऑल दिस प्रॉब्लम. सो उनको एजुकेटेड कर देंगे तो हमारी देश की तरक्की ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ते जाएगी. जब वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट होगी तो मकसद ये है कि वुमेन को एम्पावरमेंट करो तो देश की हालत सुधरेगी. तो देश को सुधारना हो तो सबसे पहले वुमेन को एम्पावरमेंट करना है.
सो आप नॉर्मली एनरोल करते हो पीपल जो 10 पास कर चुके हैं. ओके, सो एनीबडी जिसको किसी आई मीन इंडिपेंडेंट होना है और मे बी यू वांट टू डू समथिंग, सो पीपल कैन कम एंड जॉइन यू.
Yes, they can come and join.
So what kind of course you are giving? A teachers training course?
Yes, you see there is a many courses are there like nursery teachers training, Montessori teachers training, and health and nutrition is there. Child psychology diploma is there. Diploma in English. English now is very essential, the English link language. So now in Karnataka we are facing the major problem about English.
Yes.
So English spoken classes are there, computer classes is there, and many courses are there. Like I said, no, health and nutrition and psychology, preschool diploma and D.Ed. All these courses we are running. And one more we started preschool chain also. We kids preschool is there. So I'm a director of the We Kids preschool also. This child will give example. You want to open a preschool, so you came with us. So everyone is charging more than they are be charging. Everything will establish on you. For that, all the materials, Montessori materials, teachers training, each and everything will stall and we give the preschools. Step by step, you people has to pay that. We won't demand for money also. Example, you had given 50,000. So we'll start your work. खर्च दे कर देंगे जैसे जो जो आपको नर्सरी स्कूल के लिए ज़रूरत है आफ्टर द गेटिंग एडमिशन आफ्टर गेटिंग यू पीपल कैन स्लोली
you can repay back.
इंस्टॉलमेंट यू कैन repay that.
So normally आपसे जो pass out हुए हैं, those ladies are because urban areas we have you have schools, we have mostly famous institutes are there.
Yeah.
After passing out, mostly from your previous record,
Yeah.
those women where they are planning for schools or they are going for join. Mostly what you think on that?
See, we have given both side. Rural side also we are given, urban side also we are given. Urban side which we are given training, we had not felt much difficult to get the job placement. All the international school, all our students are working in a very big schools. And international school they are working like Arvind International School and Sri Chaitanya School. Many big schools they are working. In the remote areas, they have the big buildings,
Yes.
big infrastructure, but they are not having trained teachers. जैसे मंदिर तो बना दिया, मंदिर पे भगवान नहीं है. Teachers, so we will go there and we will train the teachers. And their remote areas, they are also getting in that schools like residence schools are there in the remote areas. The students are working in the remote areas. Almost all more than 10,000 teachers we are trained, and all each and every teacher has they got the job, and the school people also the school management has given the letter also very good students are trained very well. So like that, whenever one call will become any vacancy for my students, yes madam, vacancy is there. And some schools they call personally, madam we want teachers. So we are sending for remote areas, urban areas, both also we are doing the service. But we won't feel much difficult in urban because schools they have the good command in English. The major problem in the remote areas, because apart from the course we have to focus on the language also.
Yes.
This both we are doing.
When you have started this?
This before 1 decade ago, myself and my brother have started this. But so we had to teach the procedure, how to control the class, how to interact with the children, how to interact with the parents. This all they are lacking in all this quality. So that quality we are not getting in that teacher. So instead of they brought the certificate, but quality is not there. That time myself and my brother have started. Why can't we train? Already we are training without any that. Then we started taking the license from the government, central government. We got the license. Then we are throughout the world our teachers can work. Not only India, throughout the world our teachers can work. Then we started training. अकेला ही चला था मैंने जाने मंजिल की तरफ कारवां बनता गया और शहर बसता गया
Right. Yeah. So how many remote areas now your organization giving service?
in education. See, many in almost all Dadbalapur, Chikbalapur and Bangalore almost remote areas there. Apart from the Karnataka, like Shivamogga district remote areas there, Banava is there and Arsikara is there. In the Tiptur almost all remote areas there. There our trainers will go and they train for their school teachers.
So after the getting training done, you will provide them some certificate or something?
Definitely, promoted by the government of India certificate will get. After they getting the certificate, they can work throughout the world, I am telling. So when play school to the international school, they can be work in that.
Okay. Good teacher is very important because they are our guide, they are our guru.
Yes.
So our future generation depend only on
Teachers. So if doctor will fail, one patients will die. If the teacher will fail, means whole the nation will fall.
Yes.
So that's why basic education is a very important. Without basics, you can't build the building. So first basic is the nursery teachers training. That nursery children will learn that ABCD. Then letters, when he'll able to learn the letters, he'll complete the alphabets. When he'll complete the alphabets, he'll go for 2 words, 3 words and sentence. That if he are not having one letter also, if he'll miss not able to do any sentence. That is the.
As you said, you are doing service towards the society in this pandemic, COVID-19.
What is your future plan now? What HSE want to do towards the needy people right now?
Step by step, whatever they need. Step by step, we have covered that. For the mask, we covered. For the food packet, for the ration bag, we covered almost how much it possible now. The police people are calling for our service. They saw our service, how Hindustan Scouts and Guide is giving a fabulous service. The police people call from any police station in the midnight and the night, day, we don't know. Anytime the call will come, madam, please, we need your service. Please send your volunteers. Please send your people. So that will be waiting for any time the call will come for service. So anytime the people will be, has to be ready 24/7, they have to ready to give the service. So now we started one now little bit relief is there. तो थोड़ा सा सांस ले रहे हैं. सुबह के 7 से शाम के 7 बजे थोड़ी दुकानें खुली होगी, उतनी दिक्कत नहीं है, अब चीज़ें तब मिल रहे हैं. तो अभी हमने एक निर्णय लिया है कि एवरीडे ये 500 वाला मास्क चलता रहेगा. ये रिमोट एरिया पे हर जगह मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो जाएगा एवरीडे. समझिए ये जो है वो 10 ये 100 वो 100 ये 50 ऐसे लेके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे जगह जगह डिफरेंट एरिया पे. और इसके बाद हमें पुलिस तो कभी भी पुलिस स्टेशन से कॉल आएगा कि ये लेबर्स को वहाँ तक पहुँचाना है इनकी सर्विस के लिए, तो ये लोग इसके लिए हैं. तो आगे देखिएंगे कोविड हट जाए, अभी बस इतनी गुजारिश ऊपर वाले से है. तो सर्विस के लिए तो तैयार हैं, कभी जब तक ऊपर वाला सांसें रखेगा. हम हिंदुस्तान स्काउट्स एंड गाइड में जमे हैं, अपनी सर्विस लगाएंगे.
You are giving service towards the society. You are meeting people. You are among the people. You are in between people. So कभी अपने आप के लिए डर नहीं लगता है? Do you get scared?
पता नहीं आने वाला समय हमें भी क्या कब आएगा, पता नहीं. हम तो 24/7 हम तो घिरे हुए रहते हैं. लॉकडाउन होने की वजह से हमने कभी अपने आप को बंद नहीं किया. हम सर्विस के लिए चले गए. सभी को हम कहते हैं कि अपने घरों में रहो, अपने घरों में रहो, बट हम ही अपने घरों में. जिस दिन लॉकडाउन हुआ है तभी से उस दिन डे 1 से हम अपने घर में नहीं रहे. कभी कभी हमको भी डर लगता है घर में जाए तो हमारे भी बच्चे आए, फैमिली है, कहीं हमको कुछ हो गया कोई बात नहीं. घर पे फैमिली कभी डर भी लगे रहता है. तो कभी बच्चों को जाके हक कर नहीं कर सकते हम, तो पूरा उसका ये लेके प्रिपरेशन पूरा ये हो के हम उनको बच्चों को हक करना पड़ता है. कभी बच्चे आ जाते हैं माँ बोल के, तो हम कहते हैं बेटा दूर रहो, क्योंकि हमको भी फैमिली हर एक कुछ डर रहता है कि हमारी फैमिली को कुछ ना हो जाए. बस हमें कुछ हो जाए कोई बात नहीं, ऊपर वाला सर्विस किए, सर्विस करते करते हम समझेंगे कि हम अपने सर्विस में ही अपनी जान दे दी. तो देखेंगे कि इतना ही कि अभी कोविड-19 ही ना रहे, बस इतनी
सबका प्रे है. Right. It's really wonderful talking to you, and I am privileged that you have given your time to me to talk and give your detail what you are doing. It's really wonderful. Thank you.
So we are also very lucky to have like you people in the family. So we think you are part of our family.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
This was Dr. Saida Nusrat. I am so proud of her. These days, she is extremely busy with working as a COVID warrior. They are the real heroes of our society. This is Preeti from the Preeti Beyond Talk Show with Radioactive 90.4 MHz. If you have any suggestion or want to share your own incredible story, you can reach us out on Facebook, Insta, Twitter and YouTube. Until next time, this is Preeti. Keep listening, keep loving, keep inspiring.
Health,
Agriculture,
education,
environment,
social welfare,
community development,
cultural programs,
music.
all active right here.
On Radioactive 90.4 MHz. Get active!